FirstNet was designed to provide critical communications in disasters like this, and that's just what it's doing. I'm really proud of how our team has stepped up to support first responders out there dealing with COVID 19. In this case, that includes a lot of healthcare providers. They're operating in a whole new world, and we're keeping them connected. Here's a great example. We've been working with a large medical campus in Northern California. Just last week, we activated more than 1,000 FirstNet devices and added 16 emergency circuits for them. Their CEO sent us a note, and I loved what it said. You guys are awesome. We're also helping governments across the country deal with the crisis. For example, we've rolled portable cell sites out to quarantine locations like remote military bases. These are places that can't operate without more coverage and connectivity, and we're making sure they have both. We've built resilience and high capacity into our network, so we expect it to hold up well under stress, and it has. And our team's working around the clock to keep it that way. But things can change, so we're watching the network very closely. And we're seeing some interesting trends. Wireless voice calls are up 40%, Wi Fi calling up 100%. Thankfully, 911 volumes have been steady. Data traffic is mainly flat, but data usage is spreading out from the big cities to the suburbs. That's because people are doing their part to maintain social distancing. We're seeing similar trends across our own employee base. Many of us are working from home, so conference calls are up 19%. Instant messaging is 15 times higher than normal. Let me add one more thing. We know people are counting on us. Our network's a critical part of our country's infrastructure, and now more than ever, it's our responsibility to keep it up and running. I want everyone to know that's what we're focused on night and day. The health and well-being of our employees is our top priority, and we've taken a number of steps to help protect them. That includes having the majority work from home. But some employees have to get out to serve customers and keep our network operating. To reduce their exposure, we've closed all but our most critical stores. Where they're open, we've shortened store hours, and we're limiting the number of customers in at once and allowing only one-on-one service. In these stores and in the field, we've also taken precautions like social distancing and making sure that our employees keep their hands clean throughout the day. If we ever get to the point that cleaning supplies become unavailable, we'll stop dispatching employees or having them interact with customers. Instead, we'll assign them to other activities or work locations. Let me say a couple of other things about our great technicians in the field. For them, we're screening each visit by asking customers about their health. We're also prioritizing their repair work. The priority here is for serving existing customers and key businesses responding to COVID 19. Some of our employees are dealing with big personal challenges right now. As a result, they just can't keep working, even from home. For them, we've just increased paid leave and excused time off from 80 hours to 160 hours. This is for childcare, higher risk employees, and people who are primary caregivers for family members diagnosed with COVID 19. And for our employees affected by store closures, we're committed to maintaining their full targeted compensation. We know we're all in this together, so we will continue to assess the impact of COVID 19 and what we need to do to help employees get through this crisis. We have a minimum number of stores open so we can serve our FirstNet customers and other first responders like healthcare workers. In many cases, they need our personal assistance to stay connected. Let me give you an idea of how we're managing this. We're keeping at least one retail location open within each 20-mile radius in urban and suburban areas, and in rural areas, one in just over a 30-mile radius. At these stores, we've reduced business hours, and they're all closed on Sundays. We're also limiting the number of customers allowed in the stores at the same time to ensure social distancing. And we're giving all retail employees supplies to keep their hands and work areas clean throughout the day. Also, a reminder to everyone out there, in many cases, you can get what you need from AT&T without leaving home. Just go to att.com or the My AT&T app.